What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. We have this 2015 Chevy Silverado. We wanted to give it an updated new look. We're gonna put these smoked LED taillights on it. It's gonna look awesome. If you want these lights or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, open the tailgate. We're gonna take these two screws out. I'm gonna use a T15 bit and a ratchet. Take these two screws out. I'm just gonna grab the light and pull it straight back. You can disconnect these bulbs. Just grab the sockets and twist to the left. Same with this one, same with this one. So the new lights come with these two little module type things. What these are is, these are gonna make it so that the computer thinks that there's actual light bulbs back there rather than just LEDs. Because if you just had the LEDs, then the computer is gonna think that the light bulb's out and then it's gonna blink fast when you turn the turn signal on and all that type of stuff. So we need these modules. What you're gonna do is you can either screw these in or it comes with double-sided tape. You're gonna clean in the back here and find an area where they can go. And then those are gonna plug into the back of the light. I'm just gonna wipe this down with some alcohol. Right here and right here. Or some kind of adhesive promoter. Right there. And I'm gonna actually mount them down here, one here and one here. Those are gonna be out of the way. So I'll wipe this down as well. So I'm gonna take this double-sided tape and stick one right here and then one right here as well. I'll do that on both sides. You wanna make sure you don't cover up these fins. It's for so the air can circulate a little bit. It's not gonna circulate too much in the back, but that's okay. And we'll just take this right here, peel that off, and then I'll peel this one off. Take this and we'll stick it right there. And the wire's long enough that it'll reach. And I'll do the same on this side. Just take that one, stick that right there. And that's pretty good. So these two running lights, or marker lights and brake light bulbs, I'm gonna take those out, because the lens assembly has the LEDs in it. And then this one is for the reverse light. I am gonna take this one out. You can reuse this, but I want it to match, so I'm gonna use a little LED that we've got separately. This does not come with the light assembly. Now on the back of the light, we're gonna peel these stickers off. These are just so nothing gets inside the light itself. And then we're just gonna connect this to our old wiring harness right here. Now we'll fish these wires in here, and then this is gonna keep it sealed, so you keep the moisture out. Get that lined up, twist it, take the reverse light, get that one lined up, twist that, and then this is the top brake light or marker light. Plug this in. Make sure it's plugged in all the way. And we'll fish the wires in here. Lock it down. And we can plug these in. This doesn't matter which one we plug it into. I plug the top one into the module that's right there. Plug the bottom one into the side one, just like that. Line these pins up on the back here. We'll just give it a little force. Just push it in. And then take the 2 screws. Get these started. Take our T15 and a ratchet, and we'll tighten these up. Just snug that up, and same with that one. Check them out. Updated new taillights, they look awesome. Get yours at oneauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit oneauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.